Hello, Venus. Imagine for a moment that whatever resources I am sharing with you in this video are more than enough for you to learn data science from scratch up to the level where you can land in a job. So let's get started. Before moving towards resources to learn data science, I must tell you that you should at least know R programming language or Python programming language. I started my journey of learning data science with Python programming language. If you also want to learn Python, I made complete video on resources to follow to learn Python language. Make sure you watch that. Apart from that, if you want to learn Python just to start your journey of learning data science, then you can follow Python tutorial for beginners by Harshit Vashisht up to the chapter 10. That would be more than enough. Moving towards main objective of the video, as a beginner, I started learning data science from the course IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, which is available on Coursera. The specialization contains total 9 courses which will help you to dive deep in data science. These courses contain recorded video lectures, and after each video there are some questions and assignments to ensure that you got learning from that video. At the end of this course, there is one capstone project which will help you to apply all your learnings to a real world problem. This course really helped me to kickstart my career in data science and machine learning. And likewise, you can also start your data science journey with this course. Next resource which I personally recommend to you is DataCamp. If you are worried about paid subscription of DataCamp, then I must tell you that I made one video about how you can get 2 months of free subscription of DataCamp. I will put the link in description, or you can watch that video by clicking on I button. So the reason behind my personal recommendation of DataCamp is its beauty, and I'm very carefully using this word beauty because of its interactive courses. The major difference between DataCamp and all other resources which are available on the internet is that on DataCamp you get hands-on practice. What do I mean by that? So first you learn any concept through audios, and then you get chance to practice those concepts in an online compiler. And another beauty is that you don't have to install any software on your PC because you can run all your codes in online compiler. I think the best way to learn any skill is that first you learn and then practice, and you get this functionality in DataCamp. The next resource is Code Basics YouTube channel. Code Basics is quite a good channel for anyone who is starting their data science journey. It includes various playlists which are dedicated to data analysis and data science. It also includes detailed explanation of various Python libraries as well as machine learning algorithms. You can also get help from those people who have made their transition of career into data science. Lastly, like a cake on the cherry, you can also find some helpful projects on this channel. Next resource is Chris Naik YouTube channel. This channel is completely dedicated towards data science and machine learning. On this channel, you can get in-depth information of any of the machine learning algorithms you want to use in your next machine learning model. Also, you can get to know about various tools and techniques on data science. After learning enough of data science, you can practice your data science skills on Kaggle platform. It gives you various data sets from where you can build your own projects and build your own machine learning models and compare them with your peers which are available on Kaggle. That's all for this video, and if I missed any resources which you think that best for data science, you can put them into comment section. Thank you.